Rob here from Live the Boat. We're proud to be a Mercury partner, and I'm really excited to be with this guy right here, Mike LeBoki from Eagle Charters in Juneau, Alaska. Mike, you got to be excited about this new build here. 52-foot ACI Catamaran, powered with quad 500 horsepower Mercury V12 SeaPros.
It's awesome. Yeah, no, this is the nicest boat we've built to this date. This is our 7th boat with ACI boats, and it turned out beautiful. Very happy with everything. These new Mercuries are completely awesome.
So the thing about these V12s, the power heads don't turn. So you can stack them in there closer together. The only thing that turns on here is the steerable gear case down below. So a typical power head would swing about 30 degrees side to side. With that steerable gear case, you got 45 degrees of swing. So you can maneuver in the marina. We've already pulled in and out of the marina a couple times. This thing just spins on a dime.
It's awesome. The joystick, everything, and
yeah,
being able to make this wider back here so I can get my tote to fit in here by them not turning was a great thing. I mean, they got power tilt, everything you need to change your oils. I don't have to pull my boat.
This is a 52 by 18 ACI Catamaran. You haul 49 passengers. And just to give some context to what we're doing here, we're going to do a little walkthrough on this boat here in a second. But you haul a lot of gear and a lot of passengers on this boat.
Yeah, we have a fishing lodge in southeast Alaska, about 90 miles to the west. So it's about a 2 hour and 45-minute ferry ride. You know, we just built something that the customers would want to ride in. Yeah, actually. You know, because the float planes are great, but you know.
Well, this is a tour in and of itself.
Exactly.
In and out to the lodge.
And with my staff and you know, we bring them hors d'oeuvres, and you know, we got coffee, and you know, it's very comfortable seats, and you know, we play cards and take pictures, and if they see whales or dolphins or anything, we stop and you know, just give them a great start and end to their vacation. These are more fuel efficient. We have a bigger boat. We haul more weight. We got a bigger horsepower, but we burn, you know, 20–25% less fuel on a 3-hour run or 2.5-hour run either way. It's pretty amazing.
These SeaPros are designed for this application, getting big heavy loads up on step. You know, they've got the gear case on these SeaPros is validated at 3 times the rating of a recreational gear case. So these things are built for this application right here, man. Yeah, let's look at the cabin space in here.
Yeah, come in here. We got a restroom inside and outside. Got a nice little coffee station and snack bar, refrigerator. We like to serve hors d'oeuvres and stuff to our clients. Man. You can fit 38 people comfortably in here. Everything's vented so it doesn't get fogged up in here. We've got a landing ramp here. It's very well designed. You know, very comfortable boat. Really smooth.
You didn't miss a thing. You've got access doors on both sides, here on the bow as well as the stern. Got another head compartment right here, and then Mike, you've got what, a refrigerator?
That's a freezer right there.
That's a freezer.
Refrigerator right there. That way, you know, we're on an island. We get fresh vegetables. We buy them every other time we're in Juneau, and you know, bring out our frozen needs. So
set up. Let's go up top here.
We got some outdoor seating here. You know, a lot of walk around room.
Yeah, Mike, let's check out the pilot house lounge in here. And you can see these direct bonded windows here. Just beautiful.
Makes the viewing very nice.
This Captain Mike Meason runs the boat in the summertime. So you got dinettes here as well.
Yeah, we got a full wraparound couch, another refrigerator, another coffee, snack bar up here. So our clients up here in the pilot house lounge can not have to go downstairs if they need something.
Then up here at the helm station, got twin Garmin displays. Got your vessel view gauge in here. Everything right within reach, man. This is really well laid out. You got your Gen 2 controls, joystick control. This is
the smoothest boat I've ever owned. I mean, it's like, even when you're on full step with the wind and everything, you can still have a conversation standing right next to the engine. I mean,
like
and the vibe, I mean, there's no cavitation. It is very, very pleasant to drive. Everybody that gets on the boat, they just like go, wow.
Well, let's do that, Mike. Let's get up on step. And so these outboards have AMS. They sit in a cradle that eliminates all the vibration. I mean, this thing it's like driving a car.
Yeah, it's smoother than my car.
And we've got the doors shut. Let's just open the doors. All we've got is wind. There's no outboard noise up here. And with this ACI cab, we've got just a little bit of somebody's wake here. Just slices right through all of this. Totally stable. So fuel economy wise, look at that. We're already at 31 miles an hour. Total fuel flow, 57 gallons an hour. Look at this, 2.1 miles per gallon, 3,800 RPMs, 2 miles per gallon.
We sea trialed it with 49 people on it. We were doing 52 miles an hour in less than 10 seconds. And, you know, we actually think we can actually put a little bit more prop on here because it was doing so good. So it doesn't change much with the load.
We're at 2 miles per gallon right there, 33 miles an hour. And again, this is a 52-foot ACI Catamaran, 18-foot beam. There's a lot of boat here.
Yeah. Compared to our other catamaran, this is probably 20 to 25% more fuel efficient with a bigger engine.
And much more
pleasant. A bigger boat.
Much more pleasant to operate, nice and quiet. So we're making a pretty sharp turn here. These ACIs stay pretty flat in the corner. Nice comfortable ride for everybody, you know.
Yeah, he just turned that sharp at 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, I know.
He was doing 28 knots when he just turned that sharp. And it did stay flat.
Didn't fall off step at all, yeah. Yeah, we'll go up here a little ways, Mike, and then we'll get to top speed. I think people are going to be blown away at how fast this cat goes. Let's mash the throttles, buddy. Right. Quad 500 V12s.
Here we go.
Let's see what this 52-foot ACI can do, man. So just like that, we're at 45 miles an hour, 47, 49, 51 miles an hour, 52. We're over 52. Look at that. Yeah, 52 miles an hour.
It's a big boat to be going 52 miles an hour.
We're still 1.1 miles per gallon right there, 52 miles an hour. Obviously, you're not going to run like this, but at least you've got that capability, you know.
Well, and if I'm going to be late for dinner, I might just burn that extra fuel.
Thank you, Mike, for taking the time. Crazy numbers, 2 miles to the gallon, 52 miles an hour top speed.
Yeah.
Completely insane.
Yeah, especially for a vessel that big.
And when you took this ACI Catamaran from the factory in Port Townsend, you guys loaded 49 passengers on there, didn't you?
Yep. We just wanted to see what a full load would do and what the difference is. And we actually had the Mercury guy on board, hooked up with the computers. We run it, and
the same numbers.
Yeah,
fully loaded.
It was impressive.
500 horsepower V12s. You can change the oil at the dock. You can maintain them at the dock. You don't need to haul the boat to change the oil.
You don't even have to take the cowling off. Unbelievable.
Right on. Well, thank you again. EagleCharters.com.
Eagle Charters, Elephant Cove, Alaska.
What a blast today on this big catamaran here in Juneau, Alaska. Drop your comments and questions down below. We'll catch you next time.